How to insert table of contents in MS Word. Step-by-step guide for beginners. How to create a table of contents in MS Word. Imagine you're working with a really long document in Microsoft Word, like an academic paper or a big report. Depending on the project, it might be dozens or even hundreds of pages long. When a document is this large, it can be difficult to remember which page has what information. Fortunately, MS Word allows you to insert a table of contents, making it easy to organize and navigate your document. A table of contents is just like the list of chapters at the beginning of a book. It lists each section in the document and the page number where that section begins. A really basic table of contents might look like this. Example of table of contents. You could create a table of contents manually typing the section names and page numbers, but it would take a lot of work. And if you ever decide to rearrange your sections or add more information, you'll have to update everything all over again. However, with the right formatting, Word can create and update a table of contents automatically. Step 1 is Apply Heading Styles. If you've already read our Applying and Modifying Styles lesson, you know they're an easy way to add professional text formatting to different parts of your document. Styles also serve another important purpose, adding a hidden layer of organization and structure to your document. If you apply a heading style, you're telling Word that you've started a new part of your document. When you insert the table of contents, it will create a section for each heading. In the table of contents above, each chapter uses a heading style, so there are 4 sections. To apply a heading style, select the text you want to format, then choose the desired heading in the Styles group on the Home tab. Here is an example, how you will select heading styles by writing Chapter 1. Step 2 is Insert the table of contents. Now for the easy part. Once you've applied heading styles, you can insert your table of contents in just a few clicks. Navigate to the References tab on the ribbon, then click the Table of Contents command. Select a built-in table from the menu that appears, and the table of contents will appear in your document. Here is an example of how you will built-in table of contents automatically. As you can see in the image below, the table of contents uses the heading styles in your document to determine where each section begins. Sections that begin with a Heading 2 or Heading 3 style will be nested within a Heading 1 style, much like a multi-level list. A table of contents also creates links for each section, allowing you to navigate to different parts of your document. Just hold the Control key on your keyboard and click to go to any section. Step 3 is Update as needed. If you edit or add to your document, it's easy to update the table of contents. Just select the table of contents, click Update Table, and choose Update Entire Table in the dialog box that appears. The table of contents will then update to reflect any changes. Here is an example of table of contents. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.